Welcome to our melanin family vlog.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? I'm Melanin, and this is Melanin Family Vlogs. And on this channel, we do a whole lot of. So I am currently at the airport. I hope you guys can hear me. Me and Chris are on our way to Denver, Colorado for the night, and then we will fly from Denver to Texas. So we're at the airport. He's too cool to say anything, and I'm like, let me start vlogging, because I said I was vlogging this time, and I meant that. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get on the plane. So we're boarding the plane, me and Chris. Eee. We are about to take off. Chris is over there. It's not very many people on the plane, so that's good. So we're about to head to Denver. I'll try to get some airtime.
Flight attendants, prepare your doors for departure. Stand by for all call. Ladies and gentlemen, the main cabin door.
So day 2, we are at the Denver airport. About to check in. This airport is huge. I'm gonna show you guys. So, note to self, try your hardest not to fly through Denver International Airport. Every time that my husband has come through here, there has been an issue and he has had to do a random check. Only him though. So, and he feels extremely violated. And I'm not usually one to complain about stuff like this, but it's really pissing me off. So, if you can avoid Denver Airport, avoid it. Especially if you look like us. But anyway, we are inside the airport. Probably gonna get some breakfast and then wait for our plane to Texas. So, good morning. And just trying to figure out which way we need to go. So yeah, good morning. So this is the first night after the storm. We slept in the car. It was freezing. Our hotel didn't have any power, and it was just awful. This is where it all went downhill. You guys, so me and Chris are in Target, and this is what it looks like during the storm in Texas. This is crazy. Crazy. This is the inside of Target in Spring, Texas on, what's today? February 16th, 2021. Okay guys, it's nighttime and we're out once again looking for food. You see there's nothing open, Jack in the Box empty, Target closed. Yeah, Target was open, but they don't have any food. They don't have anything that you actually need right now. We just passed Walgreens. Walgreens is closed. The gas station is open, but they accept cash. Oh, I'm sorry. That gas station is not open.
It was open, but it's closed. Closed a little early.
So, you can see that it's pretty dark out here. It's much lighter than it was the last couple of days, though. Much lighter. There's way more lights on. Way more people have power, which is a good thing. Now we just need the businesses to open back up. I know you guys can probably barely see me right now, but I had to get on here and say what just came into my head. You know, a lot of people on YouTube, a lot of successful YouTubers, let me turn this down real quick. A lot of successful YouTubers live in Texas. And a lot of kids look up to those successful YouTubers. But this situation here, I think is humbling for a lot of people, because oftentimes YouTubers are like, oh, I got money, I can do what I want, I can go where I want, I come and go as I please. But this set their ass down, because they can't get up out of Texas right now. You know what I'm saying? That money that they got, they can't spend it how they want to spend it, because nobody is able to spend their money how they want to spend it. And it just goes to show you that money does not mean you have it all. Money does not mean you have it all. And I feel like this is, if you are a religious person, a direct message from God to people with money and to people in general, because everybody wants to get to Texas, because Texas is where it's at. Texas is where the money's at. You can grow, myself included. I can become the successful person that I've always aimed to be. And I'm in Texas in this moment for a reason. You feel me? I feel like I'm here for a reason. And I feel like just listening to other YouTubers that are experiencing what's going on in Texas right now, listening to their testimony, if you would, it's humbling them, you guys. It's humbling. This is a humbling experience, I'm telling you. Because even if you have all the money, you can't drive out of here. All that ice, they got the highways cut off. The flights are being canceled. You can't get up out of here. You're going to sit here and you're going to figure it out. And you're going to do what you can with what's available. And sometimes people have to learn the hard way. And I feel like this is just a lesson to be learned for people. I don't know why that just came into my mind as we driving down the street, but I felt like I needed to say it before I forgot it. And I feel like somebody needs to hear that. Everything that glitter ain't gold. And just because they look like they got it all, nobody has it all. The richest person in the world don't have it all. They don't. There's no such thing as having it all. So, if I learned nothing else from this experience, is that no matter the amount of money that I have or anyone else has around me, it's always a way that we can all be stuck in the same situation. And this is the situation that we're all in, and none of us can get out until God says it's time for us to get out. When he say it's going to be done snowing and raining and it's below zero and all that, that's when this is going to be over. We can't pay to get up out of this. So yeah, I just had to say that. So me and my husband, we just found us some El Senor Taco. I hope they got some chicken quesadillas because that's not one. I'm waiting in line. I'll show y'all.
And I hope they take a Benjamin.
It's a food truck, as you can see. It's cold as hell out here, y'all.